Today, we're gonna talk about the benefits of owning a digital kitchen scale. So if you don't own one yet, there are 6 reasons you should. Number 1, it's a time saver, and who doesn't want more time? Rather than using a bunch of bowls, measuring utensils, and so on, all you have to do is simply place whatever you're adding your ingredients into onto the kitchen scale. Reset the weight, whatever you're using, which means to bring it back to 0. Most scales have this. Add in the weight of your first ingredient, reset that, and repeat with the rest of your ingredients. For ingredients that only have volume listed, you can easily convert it into a weight by searching for it online. For example, if you need to find out how much 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon weighs, then just type 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon weight and it should pop right up. If your scale doesn't have the ability to reset, then just quickly do the math in your head. It's that simple. Number 2, there's less to clean up. This pretty much goes hand in hand with the first reason, but I thought it deserved its own mention. Saving time wasn't a good enough reason to buy one, but you hate doing the dishes, then this reason alone is worth it. We know from the first reason that a scale gives you the ability to add all of your ingredients into whatever you're using without the need to use other bowls or measuring utensils. So you're never going to have more than your main bowl to clean up. Easy, right? And you're using less water, so you'll save money and the environment too. Number 3, it's way more accurate. Why is it more accurate? Because a scoop is not just a scoop. When you scoop anything, protein, flour, sweetener, it's gonna come down to a ton of variables how much you actually put into that scoop. For example, if I lightly scoop 1 cup of protein, put it on my scale, it's gonna have less in it than if I scoop it like I found gold. When you're baking, too much protein powder, the cookies will come out too dry, too much flour, and they can come out rock hard, and so on. The same goes for cooking. Something can come out too spicy or sweet with 1 wrong turn. When using a scale, the weight of the ingredient has no variables. Another benefit with this one is the calories that you're eating or using in the recipe will always be accurate. If you just eye your tablespoon of peanut butter, you're overestimating by 8 grams a day, that's another 3.5 tablespoons of peanut butter you're not accounting for throughout the week, which is 320 calories. It adds up quick. Number 4, they make portioning out recipes easier. This is my most used reason. Scale gives me the ability to quickly weigh the whole recipe, then divide it into however many servings I'm creating. It's that quick. All I do is take something to put the whole recipe into, put that on the scale, reset it, pour my recipe in, and if I want 10 servings from that recipe, divide the total by 10. Number 5, they do conversions. Most scales will easily be able to convert pounds, grams, or ounces with the press of a button. So if a recipe calls for a certain unit of measurement, you'll always be covered. And last, number 6, it's travel friendly. Seriously, the chances of you taking a bunch of bowls and measuring utensils on vacation to a friend's house, hiking, it's gonna be super unrealistic. However, bringing a scale with you is quick, doesn't take up a lot of room. You can use it to stay on track, make your meals, and portion them out wherever you go. With that said, if the scale was a superhero, it would be a time-saving perfectionist. The scale will end up costing you less than a couple cents a day in the long run, makes all of your recipes calorie accurate, saves you on average around 5 to 10 minutes a day, which is hopefully worth more than a couple cents to you. Now, if I've convinced you and you want to purchase a scale, you might be wondering which one I recommend. The digital kitchen scale you see here that I've used for well over 5 or 6 years. It's built to last in less than $25 shipped. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Oh yeah, we had a giveaway going in my last recipe for one of my shakers. The giveaway was to guess what is in this jar or this jar. I'll put it on the screen right now. And no one got it, so you all get another guess. I will say that someone did get close, so throw your next set of guesses in the comments below. All right guys, thank you for watching. Smack that thumbs up button if you like this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below to help channel engagement. Follow me on social media at The Protein Chef. I promise I'm almost done. And of course, stay healthy.